Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to simplify the following expressions. So I do see we are going to start minusing or plus negative values or negative variable. So for a start, right, we have to first simplify all the addition or subtraction of the negative values. So I'm going to now focus on part A. So I'm going to zoom in on part A. So 3x, when I minus a negative value, we can see it as adding the value itself. So this one will become plus 4y. So we're still plus 5x. And when we add a negative value, we can see as subtracting the value itself. This is what we learned previously. And at this point then, I'm going to identify the like terms. Then I'm going to add them out. 3 plus 5, 8x. And my 4, positive 4y minus 2y, that will leave me with positive 2y. And that is the answer, as there are no more like terms. Okay, x and y are unlike terms. Let's move on to part B. Again, I am going to first simplify these operations on negative values. So this will be 5x plus 9y, and when I add a negative value, it is the same as minusing the value itself. And when I minus a negative value, it is seen as addition. Alright, and then we start to identify the like terms. Take note that the sign in front of the term belongs to that term itself. So this one we must see as 5 minus 11, and that will leave me with negative 6x, positive 9y, and positive 4y. 9 plus 4, altogether, we will have a positive 13y. We stop here as there are no more like terms. Let's move on to part C. Alright, so again, we are going to simplify all the operations with the negative. So in this case here, I will still have negative 6a, negative 3b. This one will become my negative 5b or minus 5b. This one will become positive 6a or plus 6a. Then the next step would then be to identify the like terms. And do take note, negative 6a plus 6a. So at the side here, this is something to take note. Negative 6a plus 6a is actually equals to 0a, which is equals to 0. Okay, so when there's 0, we don't have to write it down. And so for this particular question, you will see the final answer as there's negative 3 and negative 5b. So altogether, how many b left do we have? Minus 3 minus 5, minus 8b. And this will be the final answer. As we move on to part D, the last part of this particular problem. The steps is the same again. I do all the operations for all those that have the negative value. So I will have 3 plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 8 minus 6x squared, and then all the constant term is grouped together. 3 and minus 8, this will give me a value of negative 5 x squared and x squared. So 2 minus 6, that will give me a value of negative 4x squared. And last but not least, this one, there's only one term for the x, and that will be my negative 3x. And do take note that x squared and x are unlike terms, meaning we do not have to simplify them further. And so this will be the final answer. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.